Opel Mokka 2024 is the epitome of cutting-edge technology and stylish design. Its sleek body lines and elegant profile make it the perfect choice for those who value modern style and innovation. Inside the cabin, you find yourself surrounded by advanced connectivity and entertainment systems, creating an atmosphere of comfort and enjoyment. The quality materials and comfortable seating ensure a luxurious driving experience under the hood. A powerful and efficient engine delivers excellent performance and fuel efficiency, whether navigating through city streets or tackling rough terrain. Mokka's superior handling and compact dimensions make it ideal for urban driving. The modern dashboard offers a wide range of features and intuitive controls, enhancing the driving experience with its advanced safety systems. Opel Mokka 2024 provides maximum protection for both driver and passengers, from automatic parking assistance to adaptive cruise control. Mokka is equipped with the latest technological advancements to make driving easier and safer. The integrated navigation system offers precise maps and route instructions, ensuring a stress-free journey. Additionally, the solar roof not only conserves energy but also adds a stylish touch to the vehicle. Opel Mokka 2024 combines innovation, style, and performance to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. Furthermore, Opel Mokka 2024 offers a range of technological advancements designed to enhance convenience and safety on the road. The advanced parking assistance system makes parallel parking effortless, even in tight spaces. Meanwhile, the adaptive cruise control automatically adjusts the vehicle's speed to maintain a safe distance from other cars, reducing the risk of accidents. The integrated navigation system provides real-time traffic updates, and Opel Mokka can be charged in less than 60 minutes.